In this example, I have cosecant theta minus cotan theta squared equals to 1 minus cosine theta divided by 1 plus cosine theta. So what I can do, I can write 1 over sine theta. Cosecant is the inverse of sine theta. Cotan is cosine theta divided by sine theta squared. Then I will have 1 minus cosine theta divided by sine theta squared. Then I will have 1 minus cosine theta times 1 minus cosine theta divided by sine squared theta. Then I can write 1 minus cosine theta times 1 minus cosine theta. Here I can write 1 minus cosine squared theta. Then I can write 1 minus cosine theta times 1 minus cosine theta will be equal to 1 minus cosine theta times 1 plus cosine theta based on difference of squares. Then I can cancel these two. The answer will be 1 minus cosine theta divided by 1 plus cosine theta. That's what we have.